right, quick look at SPX on the weekly. We're going to skip the monthly chart. It's just been a slow crawl to the upside. We're all very aware of that. So let's just jump into the weekly. Weekly, we've tapped this area a couple times and tested the trend line. We've never really made it all the way back to that trend line again. We've definitely pulled back a couple times. We got some chop right through here at this 57.30 area to 42. So right in here is definitely some chop, but we've continued to go ahead and push on up. So that trend line now sits about that 57.30 area right here in this chop. So let's see if at some point we get a pullback. That's just the number to be looking at for this week. On the daily chart, we've been in this rising wedge for a bit now, kind of bouncing off each trend line. We definitely have gotten much tighter through here. We've been inside day after inside day. So I'm going to be watching these two areas on Monday, that 5,900 area or 5840. We could continue sideways and not really tap either one. So we're just going to be watching these areas to see, do we tap? And if we do we get a rejection from that area, or do we get continuation to push and go ahead and break? Looking at the 4-hour chart, this is a really nice cup and handle. Typically after a cup and handle, we see continuation to the upside, and we've really kind of just gone sideways. So let's see if we tap that 5,900 area this week. If we do, we're definitely could be looking at a pullback here soon. This is a lot of weeks, a lot of green weeks in a row. And so seeing a pullback at some point soon is something that we definitely need to keep in mind heading into next week. Let's just see if we come on up to that 59 area, if we come on down to that 58.40, and then what happens if we tap one of these zones? Will we reject or get a breakout?